This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Giuseppe Zerillo. Welcome to Clock Tower Pointe in Harwood Heights. This spectacular 2-bedroom, 2-full bathroom with in-unit laundry is ready for you to move right in. Enjoy gleaming hardwood floors throughout the unit. Kitchen features 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops, backsplash, a gigantic triangle island, and stainless steel appliances. Spectacular details throughout the unit including crown molding and stone walls. Huge master bedroom with walk-in closet and recently renovated master bathroom with double sinks and a jet-style tub. Balcony has been tiled as well. Association fee included AT&T U-300 television package, home internet services, along with home phone services, gas, heat and water. Unit comes with one premium parking space located on the main level. Complex has fitness center, self-car wash bay and is monitored by cameras. Come see this one for yourself. For more information